This is a lemon squeezer. This is how you make lemon juice. You cut your lemon in two, just like this. This one you didn't zest.
No, because the skin is too soft.
Okay, so we're just gonna go on here. The skin was too soft. We're just gonna smush it down, and then I just crush it with my hand like that. You follow me? And I go around. I push it around like this, and this kind of gets all of the juice out. And then all of the seeds fall right there. You see that? Bam, done. Let's do one more. Smush it on. Doing it one-handed, and one with the other. Down here you can see the juice coming out. And I gotta squeeze it. Yeah, a lot of juice too.
Honey, there might be more juice in there.
I don't know. I mean, I am myrtleating these. Yep, that's how you do it.
Juice behind you.
Right there.
This is not done. What are you talking about? You need 2 hands to do this, honey.
I didn't do that one. Didn't do that one.
Look what's in here.
Wait a minute. She's
There's
gonna
probably another
she's gonna show me
teaspoon.
what a terrible
No,
job I'm doing.
You have to get
What
all
I
that
love
out of
about
there.
working with her is the
get all that out.
constructive criticism. It's always a learning
When you use 2
experience.
hands, you can do it.